Lecture 30 based on third unit for the subject digital signal processing. And in this lecture we are going to discuss about this some numerical problem, designing problem based on this FIR design using rectangular window method. Okay. So, in previous class we had discussion based on this basic of this designing of FIR filter using rectangular window. Okay, so let us start one numerical problem. Okay, and this numerical problem, the question is given: design a linear phase FIR low pass filter of order 7 with cutoff frequency 1 radian per second using rectangular window. So, you can see here in the question they have given this order of the filter, cutoff frequency, that is 1 radian per second, and method is rectangular window. Okay. So, we know, so if I talk about the solution of this problem, so we know the response of the low pass filter, that is given by the h d e to the power j omega equal to, you can see here, e to the power minus j omega tau, when it is lying, omega is lying between to minus omega c to omega c and otherwise 0. So, one thing is clear, means we want to calculate this tau. So, if I talk about this tau, so we know the formula, this tau equal to m minus 1 by 2, okay, and the order of the filter, that is the value of m is given in here the question, that is 7 minus 1 by 2. So, that could be that would be 6 by 2. So, tau equal to 3. So, now when we put this value and also we had given this cutoff frequency omega c. So, when we put this value in this generalized function, we will get this h d e to the power j omega equal to e to the power minus 3 j omega, and this lying between to minus omega c to omega c. So, frequency is given this minus 1 to 1. Okay. So, that is minus sign is also here, and otherwise the value of this h d to the power j omega equal to 0. Okay. Now, if you want to calculate the value of this h d n, okay, so we know h t e to the power j omega given, and if we want to calculate the value of h d n, so we have to take the inverse d t f t. Okay. So, to obtain h d n, we take inverse d t f t of h d to the power j omega, and the generalized function of h d n is equal to 1 upon 2 pi minus omega c to omega c h t omega e to the power j omega and d omega. Okay. So, 1 upon 2 pi omega c minus 1 to 1 limit e to the power minus 3 j omega e to the power j omega and d omega. Okay. So, we can rewrite this function like 1 upon 2 pi minus 1 to 1 e to the power j omega in bracket and minus 3 d omega. Okay. When we solve this integration, we will get 1 by 2 e to the power j omega and minus 3 upon j and minus 3 minus 1 to 1. Okay. So, now we know the formula e to the power j theta. So, we apply the over there, okay, or we can not applying right now, we can split this e to the power j omega and minus 3. Okay. So, this reduced function will be this 1 upon 2 pi e to the power j and minus 3 minus e to the power minus j and minus 3 upon j and minus 3. Okay. So, this is the form of the sine function. So, we can write it the h t n equal to sine n minus 3 upon pi n minus 3. Now, if I talk about this function is not valid for n equal to 3. So, for if we want to calculate this function for h this n equal to 3, so we apply L'Hospital rule over there. So, when you apply this L'Hospital rule for n equal to 3. So, you can check here over here limit n tends to 3 d by dn of sin n minus 3 upon d by dn over pi n minus 3. Okay. That will be give you the value of this 1 by pi. Okay. So, now we know the value of this h d 3. Okay. So, for different n, okay, you can check over here because this n I am equal to 7 is given. Okay. So, the values are from 0 to 6. So, for different n, okay, we can make this table. Okay. So, this different n is available and we have this generalized HDN. So, we put this n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. For 3 we have already calculated this value, okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, we get these different values of HDN using the above equation. Okay. Now, for if I talk about the rectangular window, so rectangular window is 1, we know the function. So, if you want to calculate Hn, so Hn equal to क्या होता है HDN into omega Rn. So, we have calculated this HDN, we know the function of this. So, for different n, we will get this value or this function H0, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Okay. So, easily we can find out the value of this Hn over here. Okay. Now, if you want to calculate this z in the domain of z, so we have to take this z transform. Okay. So, Hz equal to क्या होता है n equal to 0 to m minus 1 Hn z to the power minus n. Hn we already calculated these values. Okay. So, n equal to 0 to 6 Hn z to the power minus n. So, we know we have these values, okay, directly. So, just the remaining part is we have to multiply only this factor. So, and here is summation is going on. So, if for n equal to 0, what will be the function? If I put this in this equation n equal to 0, we have h0 z to the power 0. So, that will be h0, that will be 1. So, I am writing this h0. Now, when you put n equal to 1, so we have this h1 z to the power minus 1. So, you can check over there. So, in this manner we will get these values. Now, we have this h0, h1, h2, h3 because we have already calculated from this table. Okay. When we were designing this table. So, we have already calculated. So, just put these values over here. Okay. So, finally, we will get this Hz. Clear? Now, according to this table, you can check over here this H0 equal to this H0 is H6, both are same. So, you can check over here, I am taking this H0 as a common and I am taking this because H0 equal to H6. So, just putting H0 is common 1 plus z to the power minus 6. Same will be for H1 and H5. So, you can check over here this H1 equal to 0.145, H5 is also 0.145. So, we will get this answer. So, this is the designing. Okay. So, whenever they ask about the digital filter, okay, so you have to calculate this Hz. Okay. Now, we will take another example. So, in this example, they are asking about the determine the filter coefficient HDN. So, now they are asking to calculate the HDN for the desired frequency response of a low pass filter, and the filter response is given by this equation. Okay. So, first thing we know the and also in this given this is rectangular window function is given. So, same जैसे हमने ऊपर calculate किया, firstly we know the generalized formula of this HDN. So, HDN equal to क्या होता है 1 upon 2 pi minus pi to pi h t e to the power j omega h e to the power j omega and d omega. Okay. And this limit is given if we see this function minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So, e to the power this 1 upon 2 pi minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 e to the power minus j omega 2 j omega and that is given. Okay, multiply e to the power j omega and d omega. So, same we apply the formula and we will get this HDN equal to sin pi by 4 and minus 2 upon pi n minus 2, and you can check over there this formula is not valid if I just apply this n equal to 0 1, so not valid for n equal to 2. So, this formula is valid for when n is not equal to 2. Okay. Now, for n equal to 2 we applies D'Hospital rule. So, from there we will get this value 1 by 4. Okay. So, we can write it down in this form, that is h d n equal to sin pi by 4 n minus 2 upon pi n minus 2 when n is not equal to 2, and for n equal to 2 we will get this 1 by 4 because we have already calculated this value. Now, we want to calculate this h n. So, we know for h n we have to multiply this h d n into window function. So, for you can check here in the this. Okay. So, you can check here value this compute h n. Okay. So, and for h n we calculate this h d n for this above equation. Okay. And w n we know. So, we can easily calculate the value of this h n. Okay. So, that is you have to calculate in this equation, okay, because determine the filter coefficient S d n. Okay. So, filter coefficient S d n we have calculated in this equation. These are the value of. Okay. So, these are the some numerical problem based on the designing of digital filter using rectangular window method. Okay. So, thank you student, this is all about today's lecture. Thank you student.